Well, hello there, friends, and welcome to Preschool Online. It's Ms. Mozingo here, and it's time to get started with some circle time. Let's take a look at the date. Oh my goodness, I have a guinea pig crying in the background. It is the 23rd day of April. Let's sing our Days of the Week song. Are you ready to sing? I hope you are, because I am. Sing about those days of the week. Here we go. We'll get some clapping going. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Let me hear you. Louder. Big voice. And then there's Saturday, days of the week. All right, and let's take a look at the calendar. It is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. We have one more day of preschool. Let's go ahead and get started with our weather. We said it was going to be cloudy today, and that's a very good prediction. It is cloudy. There was little sprinkles out there too. What kind of weather do you think you're going to have tomorrow? Do you think it's going to be sunny? Sunny with some clouds? How about cloudy? Rainy? Windy? Maybe snowy? No, it's too warm. I heard someone say rainy. I think that's a very good prediction. All right. Let's say our alphabet together. Are you ready? Now, can you remember doing the alphabet? We touched our head, touched our shoulders, and touched our toes. Let's do that again. Are you ready? Let's start off with A, touching our head. B, touching our shoulders. Where are those shoulders? Show me. Good. And C, touching those toes all the way down and grab them. All right, so let's start again. Here we go. A, head. B, shoulders. C, toes. So that means D is going to be, are you touching your head? Good job. Touching your head. And then E is shoulders. F is toes. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, keep going, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. All right, let's count 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! That was a lot of counting. Now we're going to count backwards from 10. Are you ready? Let's see how 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! All right, let's find a shape. Can you find the heart? Where's the heart? There it is. What color is that heart? It is pink. All right. How about here? Can we find something that's blue? Where's blue? There it is. Oh, look at poor Sadness. She's so sad. All right. Muffin Man is our rhyme this week. We watched Shrek yesterday, talking about the Muffin Man. Let's read it together. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives in Drury Lane. All right. Let's see if my internet works. So exciting. There it goes.
Meet Grammarly,
Oh.
the digital writing assistant that helps students create
There we go.
effective writing
2,
that
1,
delivers.
and we're skipping that out.
Mother Goose Club Playhouse. Muffin Man. That was so much fun. Hey, it's the Muffin Man. I'll take one, please. A blueberry.
Here you go, Gianna.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. These are my favorite. Too bad we can't have muffins every day. I should learn to bake. What do you want to be when you grow up? That's awesome! There are so many choices. Look at all the different jobs in our town. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Muffin Lane? Yes, I know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man who lives on Muffin Lane.
I'll have banana nut tomorrow.
Yum! He's so cool, and I love the muffins he makes. Do you know the fireman, the fireman, the fireman? Do you know the fireman who lives on Fire Lane? Yes, I know the fireman, the fireman, the fireman. Yes, I know the fireman who lives on Fire Lane. Be careful, kids. Don't play with fire. Bye. He's very brave and strong. Do you know the businessman, the businessman, the businessman? Do you know the businessman who lives on Business Lane? Yes, I know the businessman, the businessman, the businessman. Yes, I know the businessman who lives on Business Lane. Success starts with math. She's so smart.
She is so smart. All right. Now, all of those people, including Muff Man, are all community helpers. They help our community by doing things that help us. So if we need help with doing our taxes or helping with our business, we go to the businessman. If we need help baking and we need something made, we would go to the Muffin Man or a baker. Our letters this week are L, F, E, H, T, I, U, and our letter this week is C. Before we go to that, I want you to see something I have pulled up right here. Oh, right here it is. Oh no. Come on, Internet, you can do it. Here it comes. If you were on our Zoom meeting this morning, you would know that Trent and his brother Graham dug a pool in their backyard. And here it is. Look at that big pool they dug, and they covered it in plastic. Now, here's another picture. Here they are swimming in it. And here they are boating in it. Look at that big boat in that pool. Sure does look like fun. And how about this one? Look, they have a slide that they can slide on. There comes Trent. Ooh, that's a little chilly. I'm glad to see the lifeguard is there watching over them. Or is he the lifeguard? He looks like he has a whistle. And right now what they're doing is they're filling in their pool. So they're taking all the dirt and putting it back in. So that sounds like a lot of work, but it looks like fun. Now, speaking of water, Carter, if you remember from our Zoom meeting, said he went fishing and he caught a fish. Look at this big old fish that Carter caught. Oh my goodness gracious. That looks like a yummy fish stick. Good job, Carter and Daddy. That looks like lots of fun fishing. If you do anything like that, I know Abigail has sent us pictures of her drawing and Ian building. If you do anything and want to send it and share it, feel free. I remember in the beginning, Miss Ashton did a little dance, and we showed that. All those things so we can see what you're doing at home helps us feel like we're not missing you so badly. So let's take a look And our letter this week is C. And C says k, k, k for cookie. Carl from Up, Cat, and Cogsworth. The magic C is what we're making today. Let's sing about where we start those letters. Zayden, are you ready to sing about them? I sure do miss you, bud. Let's sing about where we start those letters. Here we go, standing up. At the top. Let me hear you nice and loud. And you better remember to start it at the top. Big voice, Mr. Cartrell. I can't hear you. Letters, start your letters at letters. Here we go. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Here we go, Oz. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Way down. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, top, bottom.
Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. At the top. Then you better remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Woo! That was great singing. All right, we're making the letter C today. And remember, the C is a magical letter. We grab our big curve and put it right there under Mr. Matt's smiling face. And we are going to sing the Magic C song. Whoops, wrong button. This is supposed to go. There we go. Are you ready to sing it with me? Here we go. Start at the top. Magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. One more time, you ready? Starting at the top. Fingers at the top. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Now you start moving.
Start at the top.
Go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. All right. So that magic C does look good to me. And you know what? Next week, we're going to grab another magic C and we're going to spin them to make the letter O. Because C is so magical. It can make so many things. I'm so glad you joined me today for Circle Time. Make sure you check out Mrs. Hill's story today and go back to Monday and find the music video. I did beanbag music, and you can sing along with me and play with the beanbag. If you don't have a beanbag, that's fine. You can use a stuffed animal. I used a glove. I tried a plastic egg, but that didn't go so well. So I hope that you come on over and do some music with me. Have a great day, everyone. And it was so wonderful to see everyone yesterday. Bye.